Jamaica's three 100-meter female stars look invincible. Biggest track and field authority says so. Yeah man, this is something that most Jamaicans who follow track and field already know, especially fans of any or all of the three Jamaican sprint queens, Shelly, Elaine and Shericka. But it's great to hear World Athletics, the biggest track and field body in the world, sharing the same belief. Plus, they are also saying that they are expecting a clean sweep again, like what happened at the Tokyo Olympics, or as happened already last year, a clean sweep right there in Eugene. Finally seeing things the Jamaican way. That's awesome. So the three Jamaicans in question sit at the top of the world list in the 100-meter this year, led by reigning champion, the pocket rocket, now turned mummy rocket, Fraser Pryce, with 10.67, ahead of Jackson's 10.77 and Thompson Herah's 10.79. Interestingly, all three are also scheduled to contest the 200 meters in Eugene in the next few days. Is it too much of a stretch to see them achieving a second clean sweep in that event too? What are your thoughts about that? At this edition of the World Championships, Thompson Herah and Jackson will both be seeking their first individual world titles, while Fraser Pryce, who has established herself as a 100-meter favorite, will be seeking to augment an already remarkably impressive medal collection by adding one, two, or maybe more World Championship medals to her existing gold collection of Olympic and World Champs medals. Good luck to all our Jamaican athletes at the Worlds.